Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Nelborn. For this video, I will be unboxing plant package from Binget. But before unboxing, please do like this channel, subscribe, and hit also the notification bell for you to be updated of the new videos that I am going to upload. So for you to know what's in this box, please tune in until the end of this video. So let's start unboxing. Actually guys, I am very excited to do this video in the sense that I also have another package which I've got from Plantaholic Garden. Watch out later on what's in the Plantaholic Garden that I bought, that I am going to use in planting the plants that I'm going to unbox for this video. So let's start. Actually, this is actually repackaged in the sense that these plants that I brought with me today are coming from home, and I bought it here, and I brought it here in this place in Nelsborn Plant Souvenir Shop site. So let's start unboxing. These plants are coming from CNS. I am happy with the package in the sense that nakasalalay talaga sa air drying ang buhay ng plants. Because I ordered before in some other FB Live selling, and I noticed that most of my plant order were rotten. Whereas ito pong bago from CNS Lab, for me it is highly recommended in the sense that maayos yung pagka-air dry. If you're going to take a look at the roots, the root system and the plant itself, na air dry talaga siya. It takes I think 1 week before it arrived to me. So ito na po sila. So after unboxing, I am going to set it aside for I think again another 24 hours. Then ilalagay ko sila sa tubig na may anaa, which is another growth hormone that I usually used in repotting and planting some of my new plants. I think this one is Mellow Cactus. This one is Mellow Cactus. I am also happy with the Mellow Cactus kasi ang taba niya. Actually dalawa sila, yung isa nandun sa bahay namin. Ito dinala ko ito dito sa garden. Take a look at the roots. Well air dried talaga sila. I don't know the color of the Mellow Cactus that I've got, but what makes me happy is that compared to other, ito I bought it for 100 pesos, which I think is bigger than the price because I think ito nagkakalaga na ito ng 150 to 200 if I am not mistaken. I bought some kind of medium size like this na 200. Ito 100 lang ito from CNS Lab. So highly recommended talaga siya. Next, Black Prince. Another black prints. Tinala ko ang lahat ng black prints. Itong black prints freebies ito mula sa CNS Lab. Marami siyang freebies. Dinala ko sila lahat dito sa garden kasi dito sa garden may stream, sapa-sapa, na kung saan nagbibigay siya ng cool temperature of the plants. Kaya I think mainam itong itanim dito sa place na ito kasi medyo maginaw dito compare sa bahay namin. Mas mainit yung temperature doon, kaya most of the black prints that I planted sa bahay is namamatay lang. Pero mayroon ako dito isa na I've noticed na kahit na maliit yung black prints na dinala ko dito, planted ko na, pero I noticed na established na siya and is thriving. Kunin ko muna. Ito na po siya. Ang liit niya pero nabubuhay na siya dito. Whereas yung nasa bahay namin malaki yun, tapos may ganito din na mamatay. Ito na po siya. Isasauli ko muna. So, let's continue. Itong jade from CNS, pala to, set po siya. Dumating dito. Dumating sa akin. So yung kalahati nasa bahay, yung kalahati nilala ko dito sa garden. Okay. Look, pag tingnan nyo, pag well air dried yung tanim, I noticed na for 5 to 7 days na darating dito sa akin, may na siya, may mga off roots na. And for me, this is a greater chance na mabubuhay yung tanim dito sa lowland, dito sa amin. Okay. Another jade plant. Excuse me. Dinamihan ko ng order ng jade plant kasi na-challenge ako dito sa jade plant. Ang dami kong jade plant pero nauubos lahat, namamatay. Ito, tingnan ko, lalagyan ko siya ng yung sinabi ko kanina, yung from Plantaholic, ano ba yun? From the Plantaholic Garden, which is actually Satonama. This is highly recommended. This was highly recommended by Sir Marlon. Mag-i-experiment ako. Gagamitin ko yung order ko galing sa kanila. Another freebie from CNS Lab, agave. Free lang siya, pero yung dati kong order online, this is worth 50 pesos. So, worth na rin yung worth it na rin yung binayad ko sa CNS. Sana maraming ganyan. Ganyan sa online selling na may pa-freebie. Sorry ha, hindi ko sila masyadong kilala and I really don't know the name of its species, whether succulent or cactus. Pero I'm trying. Ito, dalawa ito, yung isa nasa bahay, ito, nandito sa garden. May mga roots na din. I'm sure mabubuhay ito dito. Another jade pa. Tapos ito. Ano to? Ito ba yung Oslo? Ito. Nalalagas yung ibang dahon, pero okay lang kasi maganda talaga yung pagka-air dry. I repeat, nakasalalay sa air drying ang mga order ko from Benguet or from Baguio. So tapos na akong mag-unbox. I will put this in tray. Tapos set them aside for overnight. This is what I usually do sa mga plants na kararating lang. Okay, may maliit akong planggana, nilagyan ko siya ng tubig. Tapos, konting tubig lang. Tapos, meron akong plant growth promoter. Anaa, ilalagay ko sila sa planggana na may tubig. Tapos dito ko ilalagay yung mga kararating na tanim. Okay. Shake a little. Tapos ilalagay ko na sa isa-isa. Okay.